So my people, I'm riding a bicycle today. And I'm taking Trevor to his home. I should have drive.
Take time.
So my people, this is Trevor. Trevor, can you walk any faster than how you're going? Trevor is good. Alright, let me just take a little walk around, Trevor. Alright. Wow. Some of people inside here is kind of a bit dark, but I'm just going to show you a bit of how Trevor house is sitting. And look out the door. Yes, so.
Welcome to Ever Blessed Travels, where every step takes you deeper into the real Jamaica. From secret rivers to street-side legends, we go where the vibes are loud, the food is fire, and the stories are unforgettable. This is Jamaica, like you've never seen it.
What's up, my beautiful people? I'm back with you with another video. And today, I'm coming to you from the capital of Spanish Town. And today, my people, I'm gonna give you a follow-up video with Trevor. Trevor, my people, I don't want to call him one of the less fortunate among us. Trevor. And today, I have some news for him. I'm gonna share some good news with Trevor. Also, my people want to check up with Phillip. It's been a while. You haven't seen a video with Phillip. I'm gonna be checking on Phillip. I have some news for Phillip as well. So my people, stay tuned and watch how Ever Blessed take on the street. And oh wow, my people. Today a big update. Ever Blessed Travelers is celebrating 6K. And it's because of you and you and you. All of you who have taken the time out to show Ever Blessed Travelers some love. I appreciate you. And I'm going to be showing you how much I appreciate you. So my people, as I said before, I'll be introducing you to Trevor. And today, my people, I am with Trevor. Trevor, good morning and welcome to Ever Blessed Travelers again. So, how would you class yourself? How you name yourself? Homeless or?
Homeless, you know. Yeah.
Homeless. If I'm homeless now, not really live now.
No, yeah.
Yeah. All right. So my people today we are with Trevor, and some of my people, one of you. I know that my videos have been reaching a lot of persons, but out of Canada, there's one particular person who is been touched by your story. And reach out to Ever Blessed Travelers and say I want to be of an assistant. And he is serious about it. How you feel about hearing that part of news?
Yeah, man. Feel happy about that.
Feel happy?
Yeah, feel happy about that.
Yes.
I wish that come true.
Yes.
Yeah.
So send a message to the person.
Yeah. That give him thanks and praise for that.
Yeah.
Joyful, you know?
Yes.
Fire. I need it, you know?
Yes.
I need a little help. I
Yes.
need a help.
Yes.
Boy, not depend on nothing.
Yes.
Nothing.
So you're a man that love to pray?
Yeah, man. We give praise and thanks every day.
Every day?
To everyone that have given twice something.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Praise them, man, and bless them.
Yeah.
And them children, man. Give them thanks. Every day of my life, lie down on my bed and praise to them and give praise to them.
Yeah.
Because I say, it's a blessing.
Yeah, I give away. Yeah, so as we were saying, So today, the purpose of me linking up with you, I want you to take me to where you live. I want you to take me to where you call home. And I'm gonna say this to you, Trevor, that don't be ashamed of your situation. Because for you can take me to a home. I know of hundreds of people who will not be able to show me a home. So let's go to your home. Let's see what your home is looking like. Yes. Some of people, I'm riding a bicycle today. And I'm taking Trevor to his home. I should have drive.
Take time.
Take your time, like it. Straight down, I go?
Yeah, man.
You afraid of me? I turn you over? A long time I ride bicycle, you know? Big up yourself and family. Yes. Church out. Yeah, something like that. Me I ride it because this is a young move slow. And they come next day for me make it. You walk, me not gonna reach until tomorrow. But you're supposed to know Brown man because I think Brown man live down on this road. Yeah, man, I don't remember the house. But he live down here, sir. Take 10 past and man. Alright, so right now. So this is the road that Trevor is living on, my people. This is how him city. But you don't your place cool, man. Yeah. And you have one nice princess to live from. Princess, me can't get breakfast. You go and go look out for breakfast now?
At lunchtime now.
At lunchtime now?
Yeah.
You cook?
Yeah.
Alright. I go straight down. How are people in there? Some of people, this is Trevor. Trevor, can you walk any faster than how you going? Eh?
Can't go fast.
Can't go faster than that? Alright. Some of people, this is Trevor for you. And he's taking his time taking me to his home.
Yeah, no.
Yeah. You can stay and see your house. Oh, you have bees nearby, man. Some of people, this is where Trevor is living. So I'm gonna be asking some of people to, in the comment, you just leave for me as to what you think about. And if you want to be of any assistance, I'm gonna be asking my people to do it respectfully. Because this is where Trevor is living. Alright, let me just take a little walk around, Trevor. Alright. Wow. Oh, this falling off. Let me take a look on you. Take a little look on your inside. Wow. Your house is falling over, Trevor. Wow.
You say stay about, man.
Yeah, you tell me to stay about. Alright. People, this is. Some of people inside here is kind of a bit dark, but I'm just going to show you a bit of how Trevor house is sitting. And look out the door. So, yeah. And it's very small, Trevor. Inside is very tiny. I think you need a little bit more space, no?
You need a little bigger.
Little bit more space.
Yeah.
So Trevor, I have seen the condition of where you live. Ask somebody to assist you.
Yeah, man, I need some help, man. For really and truly, we can't manage. Pay fix up my place again. And really, now the money pay fix up here so I'm get a proper little ranch to live in, you know?
Yeah.
So we need a little help.
Yeah.
Helping and help me out.
Yeah.
And we can get a good rest. When it come at night,
Yeah.
you have someone to sleep, Papa.
Yes.
I want to go bed, you know.
Yeah.
I want to go bed, I want to go table, you know. You can't get, you know.
Yes.
You lie down and fix myself, Papa.
Yes.
Cook my food and
So when you cook, when you see what you cook pan, or you cook?
a little stove, you know.
Yeah, cold stuff?
You want to cook cold stove, me have there.
Okay, okay.
I make up, put food in there, you know.
Oh, you don't use coal?
You know, me so me not really say me not use coal, but so me can't get too sour, you know.
Okay, okay, okay.
Me use wood and make up fire in night and put on me little pot pan and cook, you know.
All right, Trevor. All right. As I said in the first video, I wish you luck. And someone has reached out and said they want to be of an assistance. We're just waiting for that to happen. And I'm going to be asking again, my people, that you have seen him on the street. Now you're seeing him at his home. And Ever Bless is here, pleading again on behalf of Trevor to say, if you, whatever little you can do, reach out and let us assist Trevor as best possible. Trevor, may I tell you again, good luck.
Yes, sir. Yes. And I hope that everything come to
Yes.
right, you know.
Encourage somebody to like, share, and subscribe to Ever Bless Travels.
Yeah. I say right now, we give thanks and praise every day.
Yes.
I'm alive, you know.
Yes.
They are who support me and give thanks to them, you know.
Yes,
We stretch a little thing to me
yes.
at the time. You can't find little food, you know.
All right, give thanks. All right.
Please like, share, and subscribe to everyone.
Ever Bless Travels.
Ever Blessed Travel.
Appreciate you, my brother.
Yes, brother.
Good luck, good luck, good luck. Good luck, good luck. God is good all the time. And all the time, God is good. All right. Some of people stay tuned. I got touch back the road, this street again. And my people, I'm gonna challenge myself today. I'm gonna be a vendor today. You think me can vend? You think me can sell some things?
Yeah, man.
You think me can go sell some yam and some banana and some whatever me get in the street to sell?
Yes, man.
And one of them day, you know, Trevor, you'll be a vendor, you know.
Yeah, man.
You ready to be a vendor?
Yeah, man.
You ready to sell what you want to sell? You want to sell some fab, some lighter, some.
Yeah.
So, all right, my people. All right, Trevor. But Trevor, you see anytime you decide, anytime you decide, so you will start sell. Me I come help you sell them.
Yeah.
You ready for me to sell them?
Yeah, man.
All right, my people. Trevor say he want me to come and help him sell, but not today.
Yeah.
But today me go be a vendor in a Spanish store. Me go search for one vendor and tell them so me I take over them stall for at least an hour or a 2 hour, however I go. So stay tuned for that, my people. It is coming up. So today we are in Mothers and we'll be buying a patty for Trevor. So stay tuned, my people. We're outside, don't fear. Look on the camera, you look nice. Ever Bless Travels. She look nice too. Mother's shoes, she select the best set of people for her today, huh? So this is my cashier for today. So we have bought patty, cocoa bread and juice. One patty and a cocoa bread for Ever Bless Travels, and a patty and a juice for Trevor. And I did ask this lady here to make me to bill me for her, and she said no. Me have to buy my own food.
I have to buy my own soup.
Alright, so stay tuned, my people, and watch what's going on. Mothers. I'll show you what Mothers offer today. We're not giving nothing today. We're not giving nothing. We're not giving anything today. What you say, you know? What you say, you know, follow fashion? So here are my people. Trevor is having a patty and a juice. And this is what I am having. Yeah, and I'm having a patty and a cocoa bread.
Thank you so much for being fast.
Appreciate it, man. Take your time, man, brother. I'll talk with you soon. Good luck now. All right, I'll see you soon. All right, cool. So my people, Trevor has been grateful. I'll take the time out to have him get him something to eat. So he's going to work, people. So you're going to work? Good luck today, right? All right, cool. So my people, I'm back at the spot of ground where I always find Phillip. I shout him up, and that's where Phillip is resting. Phillip Richmond. Phillip had this big building here. A trespass. So Phillip I take them. Phillip will crawl down from up there, so we're gonna see how he might come down from up there. So make a wait and see how he might come down. Phillip will come down from up there, some people. Cha. Come down strong, boy. As a whole man, I'm feeling to be so flexible from that place. Cha. Phillip a strong man. Phillip, you're strong man. Walk on, Phillip. Long to see you, man. I come look for you. People them say what go on. So I tell them say me busy all over the place and couldn't get to check you, so. But you look like you fall again, man. Look like you fire bus again.
No, and it's stitch.
No, it's still in there.
No, take it out.
So you love the people, no, man. Let me tell them.
It's like a man as everybody. One love. And what you thanks to life. You know, we give thanks to life.
Yeah, my people, Phillip is in the same situation.
Yeah.
So I have to come back and take you for another shower.
Yeah.
And somebody has reached out to me and said that they're willing to give you some assistance. And also a lady has given me a suit of clothes for you, and it's James Alomon. I don't remember the full name, but we will give you the full details of it. So I got a shirt, a pants, a brief for you. So anytime I will give you the shower, I'll let you have that. All right, my brother. Okay. So I do just use it up here, brother.
Sometimes life takes unexpected turns, and not everyone has the support they need to get back on their feet. This man is just one of many in need of a helping hand, not judgment. If you feel moved to help or support in any way, please reach out. Even the smallest act of kindness can make a big difference. Contact us directly at 87682800902 or message us on Everblessed Travel's social media platforms. Let's come together to make a change.